This is the final product.
Dim down a notch, 'cause I can into things that I'm gonna do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts.
What's up, dreamers? So today I will be doing a slime video and I will be teaching you guys how to make avalanche slime. So avalanche slime is basically just two different colors of clear slime in the bottom of a container, and on top of the clear slimes are a basic color slime. So the basic slime is usually white, but then I colored all my white slimes. So I'm just going to be using as my basic slime a pale blue. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys. So let's get on to the video of making avalanche slime. If the videos are really shaky, it's because I'm filming by myself. So yeah. So the first thing you're going to be needing is a clear container so you could see the slimes. And then you're going to need 2 clear slimes. I added glitter to them. So this one is like this color and this one is red. They're just both with glitter, that's why they look different. So you're gonna have to add one of the slimes here in the bottom and one side. Oh my gosh, it's because I'm filming with one hand and my other hand is just putting the slime in. Okay, so when you add one of the slimes in the other side, you add the pink one too, and then you make them together. So you press them together or poke them together, and this is how they look. And then you get your basic slime, which is minus like a pale blue. I'm gonna put it on top. This is how it looks like. Doesn't look that cool, so I'm gonna have to press it down, press down, press down. See, it looks more cooler. So when I'm done pressing it all down, I'll show you guys. So after poking the slime around the container, this is the final product. So this is another view of the final product. I just put it near the window so you get better lighting, and you could see that it's different colors. And I think the glitter really adds adds a pop to it and makes it like really sparkly and pretty. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel to be a dreamer, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!